We look to the stars. We dream of other worlds. Mars, the red planet, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Could we one day call it home? The idea has fueled countless science fiction stories and captured the hopes of many. But the reality of Mars is far harsher than these fantasies portray. Life on Mars as we know it is simply not possible. Mars presents a hostile and unforgiving environment. It is a world of extremes, vastly different from our own. We must confront these realities before entertaining any dreams of Martian colonies. The journey to understanding our place in the cosmos begins with acknowledging these truths. Let's peel back the layers of romanticized notions and explore the hard facts. Only then can we appreciate the true scale of the challenges ahead. Mars is a harsh mistress, and she guards her secrets closely. The Martian atmosphere offers us our first clue into the planet's inhospitable nature. It is thin, barely a whisper compared to Earth's protective blanket. And its composition? Mostly carbon dioxide, a suffocating shroud for humans. On Mars, every breath would be a struggle, a constant reminder of our dependence on technology for survival. Forget leisurely strolls on Martian plains. Venturing outside would require bulky, pressurized suits. Even with this protection, the dangers would be ever present. The air we breathe so freely on Earth is a luxury we take for granted. On Mars, it would become our most precious and precarious resource. Survival would demand constant vigilance, a relentless battle against a toxic atmosphere. Beyond the thin air lies another challenge: temperature. Mars is a frozen desert, far colder than even the most extreme environments on Earth. The average Martian temperature hovers around a bone-chilling -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine the coldest winter you've ever experienced. Now multiply that by 10. That's Mars. The cold would permeate every aspect of life, demanding constant energy expenditure just to stay warm. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, exists on Mars primarily as ice, locked away beneath the surface. The quest for liquid water, a prerequisite for life, would be a constant struggle against the Martian deep freeze. Section 4. The thirst for Martian water. While Mars may hold traces of water ice, accessing this precious resource presents a formidable challenge. Extracting and melting this ice would require significant energy and advanced technology, a constant battle against the planet's natural inclination to freeze. Imagine vast, automated machines working tirelessly, melting ice and purifying water just to sustain a small outpost. The logistical nightmare of providing water for a large-scale colony is daunting, to say the least. Water, so abundant on our blue planet, would become a luxury on Mars, carefully rationed and fiercely protected. Every drop would be a testament to human ingenuity and a stark reminder of the challenges of surviving on a dry and desolate world. Section 5. Toxic soil, barren harvest. The dream of cultivating Martian fields, of growing crops under a reddish sun, is a captivating one. But the reality is far less idyllic. Martian soil as we know it is toxic to life as we know it. It lacks the essential nutrients for plant growth, and its composition presents a serious challenge. Imagine a farmer, suited up for Martian exploration, tending to plants in a sealed, artificial environment. Every handful of Martian soil would need to be treated, cleansed of harmful chemicals, before it could sustain even the hardiest crops. The romantic vision of vast Martian farms fades when confronted with the reality of toxic soil. Feeding a colony on Mars would require innovative solutions, perhaps hydroponics or advanced bioengineering, pushing the boundaries of our technological prowess. Section 6. The invisible killer, radiation. Perhaps the most insidious threat on Mars is invisible to the naked eye: radiation. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a global magnetic field and a thick atmosphere to shield it from the constant bombardment of cosmic rays and solar flares. Imagine living under a constant barrage of harmful radiation, increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems. Colonists would be forced to live underground or in heavily shielded habitats, their lives forever confined by an invisible enemy. The long-term effects of Martian radiation on the human body are still being studied, but the risks are undeniable. Overcoming this challenge would require innovative shielding technologies and constant monitoring, adding another layer of complexity to the dream of Martian colonization.